The proposed implementation is that of a social media domain in the administration sector of the boutique Unique, which specialises in exclusive vintage clothing and accessories, with the potential capacity for expansion within the firm beyond the current 15 stores.
Current statistics suggest that every minute of the day, 100,000 tweets are sent, over 600,000 pieces of content are shared on Facebook, and 2 million search queries are made on Google. Pring 2012.
The current marketing strategy includes editorial placements in both magazines and newspapers. In addition to this, store discount cards and promotional events being advertised at fashion shows. With the speed and scale of the internet ever increasing, it provides a versatile and fertile base layer for a social media sphere in order for business to thrive, if utilised to its potential capacity.
Social media is about the engagement and the next logical step in the evolution of customer relationship management. Rapp and Panagopoulos, 2012. These new digital platforms for generating, sharing and refining information are already popular across the internet, where they're collectively labelled Web 2.0 technologies, McCarthy 2006.
Marc Jacobs is one of the few brands that has fully embraced social media technology. They have invested in location-based social media where customers can check in to the brand's fashion shows and stores, as well as sharing products and current trends on Facebook. Levi's has launched a Facebook shopping page where customers are able to engage with a social form of shopping with which they are able to share and like their favourite Levi products. A personal shopping cart has been created from all the aggregated data, leading to an upsell of particular items. Apparel Magazine 2010. Due to its large audience, an organisation can be subject to negative feedback, bad press and irrelevant information posted on the site through social media, and the organisation may not be able to deal with this. Topshop are a brand who have demonstrated customer service within their social media platforms through their responses to posts and complaints made by consumers on their Facebook page.
Social media benefits the consumer by creating personal relationships with the brand, integrating with posts from friends and families on sites they use on a regular basis. Furthermore, social media implementation can potentially influence upon the consumer through the informal communication channels, as the brand becomes a more poignant part of the consumer's life due to increased exposure. Social media is a fast communication tool, sending messages on a large scale efficiently. It helps to broaden the exposure of current marketing functions as they reach a diverse customer base. Furthermore, the development of social media pages for a brand help to strengthen and build a brand identity and enhance brand loyalty. The expanded communication channel social media presents gives opportunities to improve customer service levels. Social media is also important in developing brand-based communities as brand users connect, sharing their opinions of the brand.
Hypothetically speaking, with the current marketing budget of £20,000, investing in a social media strategy could save 20%. This would reduce the expenditure to £16,000, leading to an annual marketing revenue of £32,000 and a return on investment of 6 months. This would also hopefully see a 10% increase in the customer base. Other costs may be incurred throughout.
We are proposing the initial setup timescale is that it will take 3 to 4 days to get everything set up and running, including profiles on social media and purchasing of any additional hardware needed. Weekly reviews and training would be needed to ensure that all media is running effectively and to address any problems. Although the initial setup of social media is short, there is the need for ongoing monitoring and reviewing to be integrated into the daily functions of the company.
Persona Retail 2012 highlights the need to truly understand the value and the functions of social media by stating that marketers must embrace technology, train and invest in their employees, and inform senior management of the full potentials and opportunities of social media. There is a risk that an organisation has a lack of skills and knowledge while formulating a strategy, which will then have an effect on the success of the implementation. Care must be taken when considering the most suited social media option for an organisation from the diverse variety readily available, so as to avoid ineffective implementations. Another factor to consider is with this increase in creative customers and Web 2.0 formulating a platform for interaction between customers, the increase of social media has led to a power shift from the firm to the customers. Persona et al. 2012. Organisations need to ensure that through this peer communication they take good care not to mislead or overwhelm users who may prefer less complex messages. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. Et al. 2012.
In terms of a proposal for this brand, we suggest the following as an initial startup point. with the potential for expansion once the social media foundations have been set. We think that a Facebook page for the brand would be the best to start with. On a larger scale, this would be used to promote particular pieces, inform customers of upcoming events, as well as offering exclusive discounts, as well as providing a stronger customer service element for the brand. Users' comments would be helpful to gain insight for further product development, as well as receiving customer feedback that the brand should respond to constructively and accordingly. This could also be done on other platforms such as Twitter for a more instant approach. In order to use social media effectively, organisations need to be able to change the mindset from traditional marketing to this new interactive format. As long as an organisation is able to monitor the usage of social media and handle any feedback overcoming it in a professional manner, social media can only add to the value of any current strategies and campaigns.